Have you ever felt like life is just one endless race with no finish line? Paycheck comes in, and within just a few days, it's already gone. It feels like money only passes through your account without even stopping. For many working class and lower middle class families in America, this isn't just a feeling, it's daily reality. Groceries keep getting more expensive. Rent shows no sign of going down. Healthcare costs are shocking, and gas prices go up and down like a roller coaster. Sometimes all we can do is shake our heads and think, how am I going to make it through this month without falling behind? That's why today, let's talk about some simple but powerful ways to manage money better. No boring theories. This is about real, everyday steps you can actually do to take back control of your money. Be honest. How often do you buy things you don't really need? Take coffee, for example. A latte at a coffee shop, $5. Multiply that by 30 days, that's $150 a month. Almost $2,000 a year, just on coffee. Crazy, right? If you made coffee at home, it might cost less than $1 per cup. The money you save could go to bills, groceries, or an emergency fund. This doesn't mean stop enjoying life, but set your priorities. Now about savings. Many think you need a lot to start. Not true. You can start small, just $20 a week. By the end of the year, over $1,000 saved, enough for a car repair, broken appliance, or medical bill. An emergency fund is like a seatbelt. You may not use it daily, but when life surprises you, it saves you. Without savings, many families rely on credit cards, and that's where the cycle of debt begins. Sure, credit cards are useful, but interest rates? Brutal. 20 to 25% a year. Spend $500, pay the minimum, and watch debt snowball. That's why you should use credit cards only for emergencies. For daily needs, stick to cash or debit. Now let's talk about survival today. Side hustles, driving Uber or Lyft, extra shifts at restaurants, selling online. Even $200 to $300 more per month can be a lifesaver. One income is no longer enough. But beware, lifestyle inflation. When income rises, spending rises too. Suddenly, more takeout, more shopping. A raise should help you save, not just spend more. And yes, budgeting. Sounds boring, but it works. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt. Simple, but powerful. Small tweaks matter too. Cook at home, take the bus, buy in bulk, use cashback apps. Hundreds of dollars saved each month from small choices. And investing? Not just for the rich anymore. Apps like Robinhood or Acorns let you start with as little as $5. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a better future. Even small amounts grow big with compounding over 10, 20 years. Healthcare. Another challenge. Medical bills can destroy savings overnight. If you can, get basic insurance. Even small premiums beat thousands in surprise bills. And remember this, living frugally doesn't mean living miserably. It means peace of mind. No constant stress, no endless fear of bills. Happiness isn't about luxury brands or vacations. It's about control over your life and money. If you're struggling now, you're not alone. Millions are in the same boat. But small steps lead to big change. Cut wants, save little by little, avoid toxic debt, find side hustles. Not overnight, but progress will come. At the end of the day, financial success isn't about how much you earn. It's about how well you manage it. A simple life, less debt, a solid emergency fund, slow, steady growth. That's the path. Break 300 milliseconds to true financial peace of mind.